Hello everyone, today let me share with you one of the best 4K monitors that I have been using for the past few weeks. This is the 27-inch monitor from Dell. It has a IPS panel with 4K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and also has built-in speakers along with the capability of swivel, tilt, height adjustments, all the important stuff. However, my favorite thing about this monitor is that it also has a USB Type-C port, which means that you can connect that to your device and you can get the maximum capability of the monitor, which is 4K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate without the needing of an HDMI cable. Overall, I'm having a great experience with this monitor, and with that, let's start with the unboxing. Okay, so the box itself is pretty well packaged with good branding from Dell. And once we open it, the first thing we see are all the accessories. So as expected, we have some manuals, and then comes the power cable to power up our monitor, then the base stand where it's going to sit on it. Then we have the stem, or we call it the stand neck of the monitor, the USB-C cable, and a back case protector to cover up the wires, which I will talk about later. So after unboxing, it's time to put everything together. So firstly, I connected the stand neck to the base, and then installing or inserting that into the back of the monitor so that we can get a firm base. Now, before I wired up everything, let me quickly show you the back of the monitor to see what we're working with. So we have two HDMI ports, one USB port and one Type-C port, and obviously the power connector. So once everything was set up, this is the look. So firstly, I connected the monitor to my gaming PC, and right off the bat, without changing any settings, this is what it looks like. To be very honest, I just increased the brightness a little bit because I thought the brightness was a bit too low. But aside from that, all the colors, everything were just so magnificent. I started gaming on this thing and it was just a wow experience. Now, this is coming from someone who has a OLED ultra-wide panel. Now, even though the obvious disadvantages of a IPS panel is that you never get the true blacks, but even with that, I believe overall the picture quality was insane. I truly believe that this is the best monitor you can get if you're looking for a 27-inch 4K monitor that is decent, not too expensive, but at the same time gives you that luxurious experience. After spending some time with the monitor connected to the gaming PC, I decided to switch things up and use its Type-C to Type-C connection on my laptop. And oh my god, most laptops do not have HDMI ports either, or they're not the strongest connections, I would say. So having the Type-C to Type-C connection allows people to use their laptops with monitors at 4K resolution without any issues. And yes, this is correct. I did test it out to make sure that am I getting the 120Hz refresh rate with 4K resolution, and it does work. I was having such an amazing time using my laptop with this monitor, and the experience was great. Now, honestly, I wouldn't recommend this monitor specifically for gaming because this monitor is, I believe, like an overall use case. If gaming is not the primary thing you do, or let's just say you want a good all-round monitor that can pretty much checkbox all the boxes if you're working from home or you have a lot of things that you do on your monitor and gaming is a part of it, then I think it's an added bonus rather than a dedicated gaming monitor, in my opinion. But I truly believe that for overall general use cases for gaming, movies, in office, as we all know that IPS panels are known for these kind of things where they have a balanced approach, and this specific model from Dell, it feels premium. The material, the build quality, everything is so great, and even the size, 27-inch. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this monitor, and I'm having a total blast. Let me know if you're feeling the same way, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.